First of all, I thank each and every students and parents for their continued support during this difficult COVID-19. The students started learning through online platform, and the IBS provided all these online platform facilities to students in a fully fledged manner, and they use this platform in an efficient manner. Today we resume classes as per the direction of Controller of State of Emergency, and we made all necessary arrangements to protect the health of and safety of students very well. At this first instance, each and every students be tested by temperature reading, and then they will allowed to go for hand wash as well as face wash. And they are advised to go to classrooms by wearing masks to prevent this spread of COVID anywhere. And in each and every classrooms, we made the arrangement of keeping a distance of 1.5 meters, and that safety and healthy measures be taken. Each and every classrooms that will be sanitized in the morning, afternoon, as well as in this evening after completion of regular classes. In addition to that, we made necessary arrangement to pick up and drop the students by making 2 runs of our buses to keep this social distance even inside the bus also. And in addition to that, we have our health bay to support our students for any of these requirements and their consultancy regarding their health and safety. And with this, we have initiated today's classes in a successful manner, and we expect each and everyone's cooperation to make this a success forever. Thank you.
The setup of the school is very good, and the initiative that IBS took to ensure that the car park is set out properly, the students, they walk in and wash their hands to walk into classes, it's excellent. The preventative methods used top the best. I think every other schools in the city should do the same.
Oh yeah, it was good because to check the students from the temperature and all this, it was nice.
First of all, it's good to be back at school. Firstly, I feel happy, healthy this morning. I entered the school, I see how the school is organized, is very good in terms of the COVID-19. I think the school is on track, and I'm happy to be back at school and how the school is organizing. I'm happy, and I will make myself follow the rules and regulations and whatever the management and staff of IBS University tell us to do. I will follow for the good of myself and the school and everyone we are here. Thank you.
I think the setup was really good. Like, in fact, they said the government said we had to practice social distancing, and school had to take like measures on how to go about. And I've realized that like in here at IBS, they've taken like a really good measure in doing all this. Like, parents are told to drop us outside, and we have to walk inside to stand in line to wash our hands and get our hands sanitized and sign in everything. So it was really good. The setup was like excellent. But yeah, way to go. Thank you.
My name is Ephraim Matthew. I'm the SRC president here. The first impression that with the students saw this morning is that the school organized, and on behalf of the student body of IBS University and Southern Cross University, I would like to take this time to acknowledge and appreciate the management for the initiative that they have come up with. And now, as the SRC president, I can say that we the students feel safe, very safe in our own campus. And I would like to once again take this time to acknowledge and thank the management of IBS University for coming up with that initiative. Thank you.